Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style Bilimbi curry recipe. This unique recipe is very famous in Kerala, usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then add 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds and stir it for 10 seconds. Now add 1 sliced onion, 2 Green Chillie Slits, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Keep it low flame and add the masalas. Half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1 teaspoon Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon Coriander Powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Then add 15 medium-sized bilimbi cut into pieces. Mix it well. Add 1.5 cup of water and mix it again. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. In the meanwhile, in a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut and half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Open the lid after 5 minutes. Keep it medium flame and add the coconut paste to the curry. Also add 1 spring curry leaves. Mix it well. When it starts boiling, switch off the flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our tasty Bilimbi curry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.